I love that sound. That's the sound that you can hear from across the room, and you know exactly what it is. It just iconic American. It's Zippo. But the Zippo has one major drawback, and today we're going to address it. Now, the most common lighter that you're going to find in people's pockets today is going to be a big disposable lighter, which is a butane lighter that works incredibly well. It's going to fire up every time, right up until the fluid runs out, and then you just chunk it in the trash. I personally prefer something a little bit more streamlined, and this is why I like Zippo. Apart from that, Zippo is a truly American company, and I always try to support American companies whenever I can. And lastly, and I think most importantly, is Zippo is something that can be passed down through the generations. I know many people that have inherited lighters from aunts and uncles, moms and dads, and grandparents, and it's something that can connect you with those that you've lost, and that I feel is important. You can handle something that your grandfather used or your uncle or your dad used, and you just have that connection back to that person. But the one major drawback to the Zippo is obviously that it uses lighter fluid as opposed to butane. Now, today we're going to correct that. We have 5 different inserts. 4 of these are butane, and 1 of them is a plasma. Now, 4 of these are going to be branded by Zippo. The last one is by Vector, and Vector makes another one that's actually a dual fuel that I don't have, but they do have it out there, and I'll try to leave a link down below for it. Now, I'm going to, because the light's a little strong when I go to switch these out, I'm going to start by taking this one out, and then one by one, I'm going to fire these up. So let's look at all of these. So our first one here is going to be a single flame butane. This is going to be a torch style. The second one is a dual flame. The next one is a plasma lighter. And then we have the Vector, which is a soft fuel or a soft flame lighter. And finally, my favorite, which is the Zippo soft flame. So let me go through. We're going to shut the lights down here so these will show up a little better, and we'll light them all off. So on our first one, this is going to be a torch flame, a single torch flame. And on the bottom, you have the butane fill insert. And then you have a dial here to dial back the flame. What I love about the Zippo inserts themselves is you don't lose that iconic click. I love that about the Zippo manufactured inserts. So our first one is our single flame. And then if we take this one out, we'll put in our second one, which is that dual flame, which uses quite a bit more fuel, but you also get quite a bit more flame out of it. The next one is a rechargeable plasma. Now, again, both of these have that dial to dial back that flame. This one is a USB. This one is micro USB, actually. I don't know if the newer ones, I've had this one for quite a while. I don't know if the newer ones have a USB Type-C connector in them now. They may. So with this one, you just hold down, or actually, no, I'm sorry, you click it twice, and then you get that plasma flame in there. The next one is by Vector. And again, I mentioned that Vector has a soft flame. This one is just a regular soft flame, which I have used quite a little bit. And they also have one that is a soft flame and a torch style. This one also has where you can dial it back in on the center one here with the plus and minus. This is for your flint tube, and this is your fill. So when we set this one in here, this one doesn't quite have the same Zippo click. But, in fact, I might need to put fluid in there. I might have not used that. So let me pull in the butane fluid here real quick, and we'll just go ahead and fill this. Now, each one of these takes about 6 seconds or so to fill them up. The good thing about this one is that it is transparent, so you can kind of see how much fluid you have in this thing. So let me get that set. Whoa, I need to dial that one back, don't I? So let's see how high up. Actually, that's set kind of low. We'll see if that did anything. Wow, that thing's popping. Let me try to dial that back more. And we'll do it one more time. That's a little better. I might have got it a little bit too low, but they work pretty good. I've used that for quite a little while, and I like it a lot. Now, my absolute favorite though is the Zippo branded one. This is also what they call yellow flame or soft flame. The difference in this one though is it does not have a dial to move the flame back and forth. It's already preset. You can't adjust its flame size. But the flame on it is pretty nice. So if you want to hold or carry a more classic lighter, but you want the reliability of that disposable Bic, there are several different options out there. Both of the blue flames or the torch flames work really well. The electric one, I don't use that often. That's really if you're just a smoker for lighting cigarettes, I would think. The flame versions, though, will help you to light up, campfires and candles and any number of things a little bit better than I think that the plasma one will. I really have used the Vector quite a little bit, and it has worked pretty well for me over the years. Now, you'll notice one thing about this is that on the Vector, that flame stays open until you close the case. Until I blow this one out. With the Zippo one, you actually have the wheel, and then you come down and you hit this, and that is the open valve. And once you release that, it automatically shuts off. So I don't have to close the lid on it in order to extinguish the flame. So that may be another consideration. Now, there is one final thing that I forgot to mention that I think is worth noting, and that is with Zippo, you can get pretty much any style you want. Here's just a couple. This one obviously is just a black with the Zippo logo. This one is a brass version, and this one is a brand new armor version, which is going to have a thicker body overall. It makes a little bit different sound. Now, I know that you can get wraps on Bics, but you don't really get to choose what you get. You just pick them up at the convenience store or the department store and you buy whatever they have. With Zippo, you can get them very personalized. You can get them engraved. You can get them with pretty much any brand you want. And Zippo seemingly has licensing agreements with every major brand out there, whether that's for vehicles or motorcycles or any number of things, or you could get them in design patterns, plain patterns, different color schemes. The possibilities are pretty much endless with Zippo, and that makes it a lot more personalized and one of the many, many reasons why I love Zippo. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.